This Filipino language tutorial is about the word medyo, which is similar to somewhat, a bit, kind of, slightly, or a little in English. Medyo is used to express moderate intensity or to give an impression without being absolute. Medyo. Medyo matagal na akong naghihintay. I've been waiting for a bit. Medyo matagal na akong naghihintay. I've been waiting for a bit. Medyo nahilo ako sa biyahe kanina. I got a little dizzy on the ride earlier. Medyo nahilo ako sa biyahe kanina. I got a little dizzy on the ride earlier. Medyo nagugutom na ako. I'm getting a little hungry now. Medyo nagugutom na ako. I'm getting a little hungry now. Medyo mahina ang signal dito. The signal is a bit weak here. Medyo mahina ang signal dito. The signal is a bit weak here. Medyo nahihirapan ako sa trabaho. I'm kind of struggling at work. Medyo nahihirapan ako sa trabaho. I'm kind of struggling at work. Medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko ngayon. I'm feeling a little off right now. Medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko ngayon. I'm feeling a little off right now. Medyo masakit ang ulo ko. I have a bit of a headache. Medyo masakit ang ulo ko. I have a bit of a headache. Medyo mataas ang lagnat ko. My fever is a bit high. Medyo mataas ang lagnat ko. My fever is a bit high. Medyo pilyo ang bata. The kid is a bit mischievous. Medyo pilyo ang bata. The kid is a bit mischievous. Medyo makunat ang karne. The meat is a bit tough. Medyo makunat ang karne. The meat is a bit tough. Medyo madilim ang daan pauwi. The way home is kind of dark. Medyo madilim ang daan pauwi. The way home is kind of dark. Medyo madulas ang sahig. The floor is a bit slippery. Medyo madulas ang sahig. The floor is a bit slippery. Medyo malapit na tayo. We're almost there. Medyo malapit na tayo. We're almost there. Medyo takot ako sa mga unggoy. I'm a bit scared of monkeys. Medyo takot ako sa mga unggoy. I'm a bit scared of monkeys. Medyo mainit ang ulo ko ngayon. I'm kind of irritated today. Medyo mainit ang ulo ko ngayon. I'm kind of irritated today. Medyo mahirap hanapin ang lugar na to sa una. This place is kind of hard to find at first. Medyo mahirap hanapin ang lugar na to sa una. This place is kind of hard to find at first. Medyo magulo ang kwarto ko. My room is kind of messy. Medyo magulo ang kwarto ko. My room is kind of messy. Medyo mataas ang presyo ng mga prutas. Fruits are a bit pricey. Medyo mataas ang presyo ng mga prutas. Fruits are a bit pricey. Medyo matagal ang usapan namin. Our conversation was pretty long. Medyo matagal ang usapan namin. Our conversation was pretty long. Medyo maluwang ang kamisetang ito kaya pwede kong ipambahay. This t-shirt is kind of loose, so I can wear it at home. Medyo maluwang ang kamisetang ito kaya pwede kong ipambahay. This t-shirt is kind of loose, so I can wear it at home. Medyo mahirap intindihin ang instructions. The instructions are a bit hard to understand. Medyo mahirap intindihin ang instructions. The instructions are a bit hard to understand. Medyo maikli ang tulog ko kagabi. I didn't get much sleep last night. Medyo maikli ang tulog ko kagabi. I didn't get much sleep last night. Medyo malamig ang tubig. The water is a bit cold. Medyo malamig ang tubig. The water is a bit cold. Medyo mahina ang ulan kanina. The rain was pretty light earlier. Medyo mahina ang ulan kanina. The rain was pretty light earlier. Medyo mahaba ang pila sa ticket booth. The line at the ticket booth is pretty long. Medyo mahaba ang pila sa ticket booth. The line at the ticket booth is pretty long. Medyo matarik ang hagdan. The stairs are kind of steep. Medyo matarik ang hagdan. The stairs are kind of steep. Medyo marumi ang sapatos ko. My shoes are a little dirty. Medyo marumi ang sapatos ko. My shoes are a little dirty. Medyo mataas ang bundok na yon. That mountain is pretty high. Medyo mataas ang bundok na yon. That mountain is pretty high. Medyo matabang ang sopas. The macaroni soup is a bit bland. Medyo matabang ang sopas. The macaroni soup is a bit bland. Medyo malabo ang lente ng camera. The camera lens is a bit blurry. Medyo malabo ang lente ng camera. The camera lens is a bit blurry. Medyo mababa ang sweldo niya. His salary is a little low. Medyo mababa ang sweldo niya. His salary is a little low. Medyo mabigat ang maleta ko kaya kailangan ko ng tulong. My suitcase is a bit heavy so I need some help. Medyo mabigat ang maleta ko kaya kailangan ko ng tulong. My suitcase is a bit heavy so I need some help. Medyo matalim ang kutsilyo. The knife is pretty sharp. Medyo matalim ang kutsilyo. The knife is pretty sharp. Medyo mabagal ang proseso. The process is kind of slow. Medyo mabagal ang proseso. The process is kind of slow. Medyo magaling siyang sumayaw. He is pretty good at dancing. Medyo magaling siyang sumayaw. He is pretty good at dancing.